MOMOTARO.
Welcome back to MOMOTARO videos. There's bubbles. He might get them. I wonder who's making them. Do cats like bubbles? Oh, this one does. He pops one. The cat sure likes to play. What else does you like to play with? Here he comes sneaking. So fast. Where'd he go? I don't see him anymore. There he is. He was in that room. That's such a silly pose. Oh, the camera. Now he wants to be an astronaut today. He's gonna ride the rocket. 3, 2, 1, blast off! It blasted off without him. Now he's got a different toy. He's so easily distracted. Silly kitty. The queen is on a watch. He wants her to chase him. There she goes. Maybe she's not interested. I wonder where Momo is. Not there. Not there. Oh, there he is. Found you. Wonder where he's going. Now is he? Not there. Not there. There he is. He's sleeping. Let's be quiet. He's playing with a string. Wonder why he's playing with it. Maybe because he wants to play with it. Thanks for watching. Come back for more MOMOTARO videos.